Good morning students. So revision part 6 of physical education class 12th, and the topic is procedure to draw the fixtures. So before any tournament and the competition, there is an official committee and they have to draw the fixtures for the different teams. So today we are going to discuss or revise the chapter about the procedure to draw the fixtures. Now in the second slide you can see the procedure to draw the fixtures. So first of all you can see the knockout and league system. Already we have discussed about the knockout tournament and the league tournament. Now we have to discuss the how to draw the fixtures of the knockout tournament or league tournament. In the knockout tournament there is a bye, seeding and the special seeding. So first of all we should know what is called bye. The bye is the special privilege to the given the team to play in the second round. This is the special privilege to the team to play in the second round of the matches, that is called bye. So the next slide you can see essential points for knockout tournament. The point to be considered for the preparation of the fixtures. Before making any fixtures, we should have a keep the following points in a mind to make the fixtures. So the first point is total number of the team participating. Suppose that if we are not able to know the number of the teams, we are not able to draw the fixtures of the any tournament. So the first most important point is to know the number of the participating team. Until unless we will not know the exact number of the participating teams, we are not able to draw the fixtures for the any tournament and competitions. Now point number 2, the total number of the byes to be given to the teams. In the next slides we will discuss how to take out the bye and how to methods to fixing the bye to the teams. Third point, number of the teams in the each quarter and a half. So whatever the number of the team has come, it has to be drawn in a 2 half or it has to be in the quarter basis. Fourth number of the byes to be given in the each half or quarters. We should know how many byes are given to the first half and second half. Total number of the rounds and total number of the matches we have to take out. Methods to preparing the fixtures in the knockout tournaments. What are the methods we have to keep in mind before going for a knockout tournament of the fixtures? Always you remember knockout and the league is completely different. In the knockout tournament, how to make the fixtures. First point, the total number of the matches. So the total number of the matches is equal to n minus 1. The n is a stand of number of the teams minus 1. Suppose that how to take out the total number of the matches. Suppose that number of the team is 12 minus 1, that means there is a 11 match. Divide the number of the teams into 2 halves. As we know, we have to divide the number of the teams into 2 halves. Now see, if the number of the teams in the not exact power of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and so on and is an odd number, there is some formula to divide the teams into 2 halves. The upper half n minus 1 by 2, lower half n plus 1 by 2. In the next slides we will know about the details how to take out fix into 2 halves. If the number is in the even number, suppose that number of the team is in the even number, then upper half, lower half n by 2. Always remember, if the number is in the even number, not odd number, even number, then upper half, lower half n by 2. You can see in the next slide. First of all, we will discuss about the methods of fixing the buy. In the buy, first of all, you have to understand how to fix the buy in the following teams, and what is the procedure to fix the buy to the following teams. So the first buy is given to the last team of the lower half. You can see in this slide, the first buy is given to the 12th number team. This is the lower half. First buy is given. Now second buy is given to the first team of upper half. The first team of upper half is number 1. You can see in the slide, the second buy is given to the first team of upper half. Third buy is given to the first team of lower half. You can see the first team of the lower half. First team is the number 7. Third buy we have to fix it. Now the fourth buy is given to the last team of upper half. You can see in the fourth buy, the upper half, it is the fourth buy's number team is 6. So in this way we can fix the buy to the different teams. So in this slide or this example, we have taken the number of the team 12. Example is the number of the team is 12. Number of the matches 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. That means there is a 11 match only in the knockout tournament. N minus 1. That means N is a number, stand for the number of the teams. So number of the team is 12 minus 1. That means 11 matches are going to be conducted. You can count in the slide. There is 11 match altogether. The upper half and the lower half, you can see already we have discussed in the previous point. We have seen if the number of the teams in the power of team 2 or odd number, then this is the odd numbers. So number of the team is divided into equally in the 2 half. Number of the buys, we have to see the 2 power. We have to 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiply by 2 is equal to 8. 8 multiply by 2 is equal to 16. So the greater number is a 16. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. That means there is a 4 buy has to be given. So in this slide already we have given the 4 buy. Number of the rounds, you can count the number of the round is there. How many number of the round is there? Number of the round is 4. The total number of the matches are 11. This is the example for the odd numbers. Now we have to see the example of the even numbers. Number of the team is 13. Number of the matches 13 minus 1. That means there is a 12 matches are going to be conducted in the knockout tournament. The upper half, you can see upper half. Now the number of the team 13 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 13 plus 1, that means there is a 14 by 2. That means 7 teams are going to become in the upper half. Always you remember the upper half, the number of the one team will be the more in the upper half. Lower half 13 minus 1, that means 12 by 2, that means the 6 teams are in the lower half. You can see in the slide, the upper half there is a 7 team and the lower half there is a 6 team. Now already we have discussed how to take out the buy. 2 per power. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. 16 minus by number of the team is 13. So there is a 3 buys. You can see the buy systems, how to give the buy. The first buy is given to the lower half of the last team. Second buy is given to the upper half of the first team. Third buy is given to the lower half first team. Lower half first team is the number 8. So this is the way we can fix the buy. The number of the round we can very easily to count. Number of the round is 4. If we'll fix the buy in a proper place, then very easy to draw the fixtures. if the buys are not fixed in the proper way or proper place, then there is a difficulties to fix the or do the fixtures of the tournament. So always you remember, we have to fix the buy in a proper place. After that only you can see the matches. 3 in the slides you can see 2 and 3 are playing in the first round, 4 and 5 are playing in the first round, 6 and 7 are playing the first round. Then in the upper half, how many buys is there? 1. So those who are won the match from the 3 and 2, they will be in the second round. So the winner are going to play with the team, those who have got the buy. You can see in the slide, very simple. The buys are playing the second round of the matches. The first round is going to play the 2 and 3. The second round is going to play the buy. Those who have got the buy are play with the winners. This is the process of the fixing the buy. This is a very important topics, a very important points or topics to study in the class 12 to fix the buy and the fixtures and the methods to do the fixtures in the tournaments. For the students, it's required to have a practice in the notebook or in the rough copy. If you go for a practice 2-3 times, then you are able to understand the procedure of buy, fixing the buy, and how to conduct the matches. In the next slides, you can see number of the teams in the each quarter. If the number of the teams are more, the teams are divided into the quarters. Suppose that number of the team is 28. Now we have to divide into the 4 quarters. First of all, quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. So already you can see in the slide, the 4 quarters are there. In the each quarters, the number of the teams are equal. The 7, 7, 7. So this is the way you can divide the quarter. Procedure is examples as under. So you can see the procedures are given in the examples in the slide. 28 teams are there, number of the teams 7, 7, 7, 7. 29, 7 plus 1, 7, 7, 7. This is the way you can divide the teams into different quarters. Thank you.